Bungoma Governor Wangamati blames politicians for COVID-19 funds misuse claims. Bungoma Governor Wycliffe Wangamati on Saturday asked political leaders in the county not to use the COVID-19 outbreak to settle political scores. Bungoma Senator Moses Wetangula had called upon relevant bodies to investigate the purchase of 620-litre jerrycans by Bungoma County Government, under Governor Wycliffe Wangamati. Addressing the press at the county's head office, Mr. Wangamati said it was a pity that some leaders were using Bungoma's fight against the coronavirus to taint his administration's image. The governor said reports that Bungoma purchased a 620-litre jerrycans at 10,000 Kenya shillings each were false, malicious, and being peddled by some of these politicians to undermine me. He claimed some leaders were lying to residents and misleading them about the county's preparedness. The governor said that the 120-litre containers the county distributed to markets for hand washing were donated by well-wishers. However, he declined to name the donors. Some politicians want to use the COVID-19 issue to settle political scores and fan enmity. We, as a county, distributed 368 containers all donated by well-wishers, he said. I have received reports of a possibility of misuse of public funds. We are aware the fight against coronavirus requires funds. However, we demand transparency and accountability in the manner the Bungoma County Government is using the money, Wetangula stated while addressing the media in Nairobi on Thursday, April 9. The senator further argued that a 20-litre jerrycan traded at 1,000 Kenya shillings in Nairobi and 1,500 Kenya shillings in Bungoma County. Without a doubt, this is the misuse of public funds. I call on the relevant authorities, including the County Budget Allocation Committee, the Treasury as well as the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to investigate this matter swiftly, Wetangula proclaimed. The MCAS, while addressing the media in Bungoma, alleged that the money had been embezzled, yet it was meant for Bungoma County and Webuye referral hospitals in the fight against coronavirus. Acting Finance Chief Officer Mr. Jonathan reportedly borrowed the 11 million Kenya shillings from the two hospitals. Governor Wangamati confirmed that the MCAS had poked holes at the purchase. It is true that questions have been raised on how the COVID-19 funds were spent, but once the Assembly completes the investigations, we will take action, he declared. It is not the first time Bungoma County is in the spotlight over an outrageous purchase. In July 2015, 7 individuals were jailed for over 1 year after the county purchased 9 wheelbarrows at 109,320 Kenya shillings each. The scandal occurred during the reign of current Senate Speaker Ken Lusaka, who was the governor.